Our next speaker is Annalise, and indications, perhaps more than indications, there are certain Western governments at the moment trying to encourage particularly that kind of Islam. I mean, the British government has been quite blatant about it in the last half dozen years as a counter to a politically active Islam, where certainly the implications of most anti-terrorism legislation and anti-terrorism activity of governments in the last 10-15 years has implied that the only legitimate form of Islam is a pacifist Islam.
But
it's happening in the US also.
Well, I'm sure it is.
But I mean,
before.
But I think that's also a part of not just dismantling Islam, but
I suspect there's an interesting biography behind this bit of paper. How does one get from an MBA to working in private practice as a spiritual guide?
Yes.